In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a Udemy course from cart on desktop. If you're cleaning up your cart, avoiding accidental purchases, or just streamlining what you plan to buy, this quick walkthrough will show you exactly how to remove a course on the desktop website. We'll keep it simple, clear, and fast. Start by opening Udemy in your web browser and signing into your account. Make sure you're on the correct account you plan to use for the purchase. If you use multiple accounts, a quick glance at your profile area in the top corner can help confirm you're in the right place. Once you're signed in, look to the top right corner of the page for the shopping cart icon. Click it to open your cart. The icon looks like a small cart and often shows a number that indicates how many courses are currently in your cart. If you don't see it right away, try maximizing your browser window so the top menu is fully visible. Inside the cart, you'll see a list of the courses you've added. Find the course you no longer want to purchase. Take a moment to double-check the title and thumbnail so you're removing the correct one. If your cart is lengthy, scroll until you locate the course you want to remove. Next to that course, click the Remove Link or button. Depending on the page layout, you might see a small trash can icon that does the same thing. A single click is all it takes. Udemy will immediately update your cart and take that course out, which means it won't be included at checkout and you won't be charged for it. You should notice your cart total and the item count change right away. If the update doesn't appear immediately, wait a second or refresh the page to confirm the course is gone. This quick check helps ensure your checkout reflects exactly what you intend to buy. A quick heads up: once you remove a course from your cart, there usually isn't an undo option. If you change your mind later, you'll need to add it back manually. The easiest way is to search for the course again from the Udemy homepage and click Add to Cart so it's ready when you return to your cart. And that's it. Open Udemy and sign in, open your cart, find the course you don't want, and click Remove. Keeping your cart tidy helps you purchase only what you truly need. If this was helpful, stay tuned for more straightforward tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.